Hello lovely people, welcome back to the online cook channel. Today we're making something simple but absolutely tasty. We're making sweet yam, and all you have to do is to trust the process and watch this video on how to cook yam. After this, you will be able to cook delicious white yam easily. Come along with me as I share with you how to cook African yam. This is my African yam, and I'll start by cutting it into appropriate portions to get it ready for the next step. After cutting, I'll be removing the head of the yam as well as the bottom of the yam. This is because the head of the yam is usually too strong even after cooking, while the bottom of the yam always tastes funny. But if you do not mind the hardness and the taste, feel free to cook both parts. The next step is to peel off the yam skin. Peeling off yam skin is very easy and it can be done using two methods. I'm about to show you the first one. As can be seen in the video, all you have to do is to run your knife through the yam slices to remove the back of the yam. That's the brown part of the yam. There is also the second step, which I shared with you in my other video on how to fry yam. So if you would like to watch that second step, feel free to watch my video on how to fry yam, and then you may be able to choose the method or the process that is more convenient for you. Also, while I peel this yam, I'd also like to share with you some cooking tips for peeling off yam. But first, in this video, I'll show you what to do when you have yam with black spots like this. So the first thing to do is to cut through that black part, as you can see me do in the video, then cut off the black area or the brown area. And voila, you have your yam ready and very much clean as it should be. While I do this, I like to share with you one cooking tip which you should take very seriously, and that is about the peel of the yam. Do not allow the brown part of the yam to touch your skin. Also, do not allow the white parts connected to the brown part of the yam to touch your skin, because you may have allergic reactions to it. So it's best to avoid or be very careful when peeling off yam. Over to the next step. The next process in this sweet yams recipe is the cleaning part. I'll proceed to clean the yam with fresh clean water. While I clean the yam, also I like to tell you, do not allow the white yam to touch any part of your skin, because if it does, it is likely that you may have itchy sensations or reaction, especially on that part where the yam touched. But not to worry, I'll tell you what to do if that happens as this video continues. After cleaning, I'll transfer the yam or the white yam into my pot to get everything ready for cooking. As I do this, I'd also like to say this: are you ready for the results that you're about to see in this video? Because it is amazing and phenomenal. I'll add enough water to cover the yam, and then I'll proceed to season with 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar. The sugar is optional, but because we're making sweet yam, I'd say add the sugar. I'll cover the pot and cook the yam for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'll proceed to check the softness of the yam. To do this, I'll pick one yam slice, I'll press through with a fork, and then just cut a small piece for tasting. I'll proceed to taste the yam just to ascertain its, softness. And I have to tell you this, I had to let it cook for extra 5 minutes. So I cooked my yam for 20 minutes in total. If you're wondering how long to cook your yam, I have to say this: it depends on the type of yam you are cooking, if it's dry yam or new yam. I'll explain much more about this in the onlinecook.com. So if you visit my blog, yes, you will see a lot of explanations on that. So after cooking the yam and the yam is soft enough, it is very important to remove the yam from the water used for cooking. This is necessary to make sure that the yams do not get soggy, especially if you don't like to eat soggy yam. But I said I was going to share with you the cooking tip on what to do if yam skin touches your body. So If for any reason yam skin touches your body or your skin, all you have to do is to get fresh unadulterated palm oil, rub it on that area, and the itching sensation will go. This is the end of this video, and thank you for watching.